There must have been times when you wanted to do something, maybe start a project, share your ideas, or even just express yourself in a new way. But the moment you think about actually doing it, your stomach twists. You feel embarrassed, you feel exposed, as if the whole world is watching and waiting to judge you. And that feeling right there, that feeling, that is exactly how you are meant to feel. Because whenever you step out of your comfort zone, it is not meant to feel cozy and safe. It is meant to feel uncomfortable. It is supposed to feel unfamiliar. But that discomfort does not mean that you are doing something wrong. In fact, it usually means that you are doing something right. I personally wasn't a camera person at all, like at all. And truthfully, I did not even post anything on my social media accounts or whatsoever, right? Because I was in this mindset that I did not want to show my face. People are harsh on the internet, they're mean. But then I realized that I have a lot of stuff to say which might actually help somebody. So I stepped out of my comfort zone, and the amount of love and appreciation that you guys have shown towards me is immense, and I'm forever grateful for that. Which just goes on to show that people can be anything, but forming an opinion based off of somebody else's journey is not valid. Do everything by yourself first and then make a opinion. And the truth is, the harshest judgment that you will ever face is not going to be the outside world. It's going to be from yourself. Just like in my case, I was fearful of judgment. Now think about it. How many times have you stopped yourself from doing something not because somebody said something, but because you imagined, you assumed what people might say? You play out the criticism in your head before anyone even gets a chance to react. And once you realize this, you will understand that most of our fear comes from our own self judgment, not from others. And even if people do react negatively, it does not mean that what you're doing is wrong. Many times, society does not accept something immediately simply because it is different. When something is not normal, people often label it as wrong or bad. But history has shown us over and over that what is unusual today often becomes a new normal tomorrow. Women did not have the right to vote. Wearing a bikini or short clothes was treated as a crime. Being gay was considered illegal in many parts of the world. These weren't moral truths, these were societal rules based off of what seemed as acceptable at that time. And yet, slowly and surely, things have changed. To some extent, women can vote. To some extent, people can wear whatever they want. Gay marriage is legal in some countries. And what brought that change was that somebody decided to fight for their rights and did not feel embarrassed because it was something that not everybody accepted. So, if entire societies can mislabel something as shameful or wrong just because it wasn't normal at that time, then your own feelings of embarrassment or fear of judgment are no different. Just because something feels uncomfortable or people don't accept it immediately does not mean that what you're doing is wrong. It simply means that it hasn't been normalized yet. What feels exposing, awkward, or shameful today may very well become your new normal tomorrow if you keep going. You cannot measure your choices based on whether they fit into status quo. Society does not run on truth or morality, it runs on what is normal. And if you're doing something that has not been normalized, people might not understand it, but that is okay. That is exactly why it is okay. You just need to do it enough times for your body and mind to get used to that very thing, which makes you want to crawl your skin and jump off of a roof, right? But deep down, you also are aware that this is that exact thing that you should be doing. And I personally, I just do things which which I used to feel embarrassed about. Like I would share my content, and which it was something that I did not feel very comfortable doing. It I used to think that I seem so pushy. I feel like I'm pushing something. on people like my content or see my content or whatsoever. And I was like, you know what, this is enough. I'm going to do what I should be doing, because why not? What's the worst that could happen? So I do the things that I think I should do and not give in to my fear of judgment or embarrassment. There's this term called the spotlight effect. It basically means that we believe that people are paying much more attention to us than they actually are. You might walk into a room and feel like everybody is noticing that stain on your shirt, or that your nervousness while speaking is very evident. But study shows us that barely, barely do people notice, because they are too caught up with their own life. The same applies when you're stepping into something new. You feel exposed, but in reality, most people are too caught up with their own lives to care. Your brain is wired for familiarity. The amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for detecting threats, it does not like change. It does not like it. So, the minute you're stepping into something new, your brain legit goes, red alert, red alert. This is not safe. This is not safe. We need to get out of this. We need to get out of this, right? Logically, is just harmless. That's why you feel that rush of embarrassment or fear. It's not the proof that you should not doing it, it is the proof that you are expanding. The more you focus on your excitement, it magnifies. The more you focus on your fear, it magnifies too. That's how the universe works. So it is upon you which one you are going to feed. And yes, sometimes you are going to make decisions that are difficult, that people are not going to like. Sometimes you will try and fail. Sometimes you're going to indeed embarrass yourself. But so what? My question too is, so what? So what if you embarrass yourself? Failing does not mean that you were wrong. It means that you learned something that you did not know before. You just need to do it enough times until that fear disappears. Do it scared, do it embarrassed, do it with your voice shaking. Because confidence does not come first, it comes from action. Confidence is built after you step out and realize that the world did not stop, people did not laugh as much, and you came out stronger. Because at the end of the day, you are here not to make anybody comfortable, you are here to live your truth. Even if that very truth makes people feel uncomfortable, even if it makes you uncomfortable, because growth never comes from your comfort, it comes from the moments you feel exposed, raw, and vulnerable. That's how you know you're alive, that's how you know you are growing. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.